Pita bread is one of the yummiest foods around the world. Flour with other ingredients are processed into dough. Then the mold presses the dough into a round shape. Put the pita bread on the turntable to bake. The temperature is about 300 degrees Celsius. The speed of the turntable is adjustable. The baking time is based on the size of pita bread. About 300 pieces of pita bread can be produced in 1 hour. The finished product has a beautiful uniform color and delicious taste. Different flavors of pita bread can be made with different seasonings. Brush oil on the surface of pita bread to avoid overbaking. Add black sesame to make the pita more delicious. Gut heating is clean and hygienic, which meets the food processing standard.